Hey guys, I just got this package today and I wonder what's inside it. I don't know if I'm giving it away too much, but let's open it up and see. Dun, ta-da! 2020-21 MVP. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside it. Box aside. And there you go. MVP Vivek Pavishi. July 1, 2020. Let's see what else did we get. Okay. Got a bunch of new stickers. Nice. I needed some more. And do get one of these name badges, which you can probably carry around. And okay, this one. I believed on this magnet too much and I put it on one of my bags, and unfortunately I lost this 70 pin at one of, actually it was at the Microsoft Big Night. So I'm really happy I'm getting this back now. And I'm not going to believe on the magnet again. Award disc. Okay. So this is the disc that goes on to the old award. So this one's 2020-21 and this is gonna go on top of this. Dun, dun, dun. So that's all I got in the box. Yeah, I really appreciate all of you watching my content, my videos, my blog posts, attending the sessions that I did in the conferences last year. And I mean, all the power addicts out there, I really appreciate it. It's because of you that I have this. And I want to keep doing things for you. I want to keep making more content, more things that can help you out, and this is just a side product of it. So thank you again for watching this video.
Three, two, one.
Hey guys,